our second Pictionary.
Who draws good?
And ideology was chapter 6,
Come on
I
down.
believe.
Yeah.
That was a great Popeye.
All right, 1 minute. That is what I need you to draw. Starting now on the 8. Oh my God.
Is it people hugging? It's hugging.
Yeah, actually it is hugging. It really, totally is. We're talking. You can zoom in on that. I don't.
Hold on, I forgot the feet though.
Yeah, you know, that could have. I'm sorry. Anyway, all right. Significance of hugging from the articles. Your group's got it. And what was that? +5?
Yeah.
+5. Go ahead. Significance of hugging from the articles.
School system was trying to ban.
You remember what school system it was?
Was it New Jersey?
It was. The New Jersey school system was trying to ban hugging. Why? Well, actually, explain the hugging from the article.
People were people were hugging.
What people?
Kids.
Okay, the students, the school kids. And
Yeah.
can you talk to me about these hugs?
They were.
A lot of different types.
It was like to greet people.
They were locking their hips.
A lot of different types.
Oh, a lot of different. Okay,
The
that was
shake and
close.
lean.
Okay, all right,
Yeah,
go ahead.
they were-
What were some of these types?
There's a shake and lean. There's
The
the
shake
hug
and
from
lean.
behind.
The
Come
hug.
up from behind.
The hug.
Yeah, the hug from behind, and the newest addition,
grab
which is
the
the
hands.
triple, which is any combination of 3 girls and boys hugging at once.
Okay.
And the awkward
Okay.
dog.
So we got triples. We got shakes and leans. We got something from behind. Okay.
That actually sounds pretty fun.
Were these like sexual perverted things, Flavia?
No.
No.
What were they?
Hugs.
Greetings.
Yeah.
They were greetings.
Yeah.
This is like slapping 5 or shaking hands or bumping or, whatever the case might be. Why did the school want to ban these, though? Give them +5 more.
Because it
Y'all
could-
have it next.
It could like hugs from behind could cause like I guess girls or whoever.
And also they're afraid of sexual harassment.
Yeah, sexual
developing
harassment
into
cases.
that.
Yeah, there were openings for lawsuits. Give them +5 more. Anything else? Go ahead.
People feeling left out. They didn't want to be hugged, so they would be social outcasts if they didn't want to be hugged.
Yeah, give them +5 more. There was kind of a stigma that was going on with this as well. Some people didn't want to be part of it, but they were kind of forced to have this happen.
Dangerous territory when you kiss and hug when you're near each other.
Okay, now they're kissing in the article.
Well, no, they said
-5.
touching physical-
You guys have it now.
Yeah, that was my,
You want to talk about kissing too?
no. But yeah, it has a big problem because of sexual harassment and the school worrying that they'll get sued or that their parent will say something because their child is being hugged.
So they were worried about that. Anything else? Your group's got it.
Yeah, they're also they're worried that it's not going to maintain the atmosphere of academic seriousness.
They were worried about it interrupting the school day. Give them +5 for sure on that one. Anything else? 5, 4, 3.
Late arrivals to class are also being blamed on.
Disruption of the school day. 2, 1. Go ahead, Jeff.
I was going to draw a parallel between people being worried about being sued, and not that having an adverse effect on them doing their job well, to the First Amendment issue with the newspapers, and they're being worried about the libel charges, and how if somebody's worried about being sued and worried about them, they have to cover their own butts, and they can't do their job well, and that encroaches rather.
Does anybody understand what Jeff just said? -5. -5. Don't give me the last correct answer. Pick me another category.
It's hard to see.
I'm sorry. Let me turn the light back off. Okay, go ahead. Pick me a category.
Chapter 3 for 2 points.
Chapter 3 for 2. Nation, state, and government. Definition of nation and state. First hand I see. Go ahead, Jefferson. Michael's got it next. 5.
A nation is, okay, hold
A
on.
population with a historic sense of self.
Okay, a population with an historic sense of self. So nation is based on what?
Of people.
Nation is based on people. +2. What's a state?
State is the government structures of a nation. So
Okay, the state is going to be the government structure that basically rules over these people. +2 again. What came first? The people or the state?
We didn't define that.
The chapter
That's
does
the chicken and the
though.
egg. Oh, is it?
The chapter
The
defines.
nation
not gonna
comes
say.
before the state.
So you're saying the people come before the government. -2. Go ahead, Michael. You guys have it.
State comes first.
The argument is that the state comes first. And do you remember what country they gave as the example? 5, 4. Give them +2. 3. Israel. -2. Go ahead.
Ethiopia.
They said Ethiopia in the chapter?
Yeah, it says somewhere here.
Can you show me that?
The Zulu or Ethiopia?
They said Ethiopia.
The Zulu?
What's that?
The Zulu?
The Zulu?
That was the
5,
Stop digging.
4, 3. Still not Israel. -2. Go.
Charles de Gaulle in France.
Charles de Gaulle? -2. The country that it gives us the example was the United States. It says in there that the United States government ultimately created the bond from all of those people from all of those other countries. And I know I said that in class. Okay, with all those wrong answers.
That's us.
Well, you gave the last correct answer. Okay, pick me a category, please. And let me go ahead and bang this off. Go ahead. Gotta go.
Ideologies for.
Finish ideology.
Ideology for 1. Bedroom and wallet. First hand I see. Meredith's group, go. You have it next.
It means sex and money, and you don't.
What does that mean, sex and money?
That some people, depending on your views, you can have a view that you want the government to get into your bedroom and into your wallet, which means that you want high regulation of both.
Okay, so when we talk about wallet, what is that? What is that issue?
That the government can spend your money better than you can.
Money, taxes, well, there's a bigger word.
The economy.
Economics, absolutely. And when we talk about bedroom, what's the word?
The morals.
Morals. So what you're talking about with bedroom and wallet is the level of government regulation. Give them +2 so far. There are 4 ideologies. How do the 4 ideologies relate to bedroom and wallet? 5, 4,
Well, the
3.
populists
The populist.
like to regulate your wallet and regulate your morals.
Okay, regulate your wallet, regulate your morals. +1, go.
The liberals want
Socialists.
The liberal socialists?
want
absence
of
the government for the most part.
In what?
Um,
In everything?
they're,
The liberals.
the liberals.
5, 4.
Liberal
Liberals-
socialists want high wallet, high
Regulation
regulation
wallet.
Well, you're not going to answer this.
money.
one.
And they have no.
High wallets.
liberals have no morals and want to regulate your wallet.
Liberals believe that the government should stay out of moral issues, but regulate economic ones. +1. We're pulling teeth. Give me another one.
Conservatives don't want to regulate your wallet and want to regulate the bedroom, your morals.
Give me another +1. Go ahead.
And the
Anarchists
libertarians
or libertarian.
don't want to regulate anything.
And they want limited government. The government that governs best is the one that governs least. +1. What's an extreme libertarian? 5.
An anarchist.
Anarchist. What's an extreme social or liberal? 5.
Socialist.
Yeah, okay. Or communist. Give me a +2 on that. What's an extreme conservative?
Nazi.
Nazi. +1. And what's an extreme populist?
Dictator.
Dictator. Who was most likely to be a dictator? 5.
Or this.
Nope.
No, no,
Come on.
No. Anisha.
Ryan.
What's your
No.
name?
Ross.
That's
Ross.
It was Ross. Ross, were you the
That's
one?
our-
I think
that's
you
our
were
group.
the one. Okay, +2 on that one.
that's
This guy, whoever this guy is, it was Ross. Okay, pick me another category. Y'all just gave me +3 more, Marco.